Hey everyone, welcome back to Fitness Brat. Today, we're on hot topic in the world of cooking oils. Why you might want to think twice before reaching for that bottle of rice bran oil. Let's get started. Rice bran oil has been touted as a healthy alternative for cooking, but there's more to the story than meets the eye. Let's break down the reasons why you should be cautious.
Oh my God.
Reason 1. High omega-6 fatty acids. First up, rice bran oil is very high in omega-6 fatty acids. Now, while omega-6 is essential for our diet, an imbalance can lead to inflammation in the body. Most of us already get plenty of omega-6 from other sources, so adding more can tip the scales unfavorably. Maintaining a proper balance between omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids is crucial for reducing inflammation and supporting overall health. Reason 2. Potential for contamination. Rice bran oil can sometimes contain traces of arsenic. Rice plants absorb arsenic from soil and water, and unfortunately, this can make its way into the oil. Consuming arsenic over time can lead to serious health issues, including cancer and heart disease. It's a risk you might not want to take. Reason 3. Processing methods. Another reason to reconsider rice bran oil is the way it's processed. To extract the oil from the bran, manufacturers often use high heat and chemical solvents. These methods can strip away nutrients and introduce harmful chemicals into the final product. Not exactly what you want in your cooking oil. Reason 4. Unstable at high temperatures. Lastly, rice bran oil isn't as stable at high temperatures as some other oils. It can break down and form harmful compounds when heated too much. For high heat cooking, it's better to stick with oils that have a higher smoke point, like avocado or coconut oil. So there you have it. While rice bran oil might seem like a healthy choice, it's important to consider these potential downsides. Make sure to choose cooking oils that are truly beneficial for your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more health and cooking tips. Thanks for watching,